In today's data-driven world, the loss of information can have far-fetching consequences. From personal photos and financial records to critical business data, the value of digital assets cannot be overstated. This is where the significance of data backups become undeniably apparent, creating a comprehensive backup strategy. A robust backup strategy involves several key components. 1. Regular backups. The frequency of backups should align with the criticality of the data. For instance, frequently accessed files may necessitate daily or hourly backups, while less critical data can be backed up less frequently. Multiple backup locations. Relying on a single backup location is risky and dangerous. Employing a multi-tiered approach, incorporating both on-site and off-site storage solutions, can significantly enhance data protection. Data versioning, retaining multiple versions of files to enable recovery of previous iterations if needed. Backup testing, regularly test the backup system to ensure its reliability and identify potential vulnerabilities. Data encryption, protect sensitive information by encrypting backups to prevent unauthorized access. Factors to consider when choosing a data recovery service. Expertise. Look for a company like LML Repair with a proven track record and experience in handling diverse data loss scenarios. Success rates. Inquire about the company's success rates in recovering different types of data. Cost. Data recovery can be expensive, so compare prices and services from different providers. Customer reviews. Read reviews and testimonials to gauge the company's reputation. By implementing a robust backup strategy and understanding the options available for data recovery, you can significantly reduce the risk of data loss and protect your valuable information.